The packaging design process in 5 steps. Evaluate a packaging design. You have got some great design ideas. Now it's time to give some feedback. Here are a few things you are going to want to think about. 1. Is it clear what your product is? When you look at the package, is it clear what the product does and who it is for? Buyers are only going to spend money on things they understand. Make sure your packaging doesn't look like something else. 2. Is the packaging an honest representation of your product? One of the worst things you can do is misrepresenting your product in your packaging. Make sure any photos on the packaging are actually photos of the product. 3. What will this package look like in 3D? A good designer should provide a mock-up of the design, both print-ready flat and in 3 dimensions. You can also create your own mock-ups by printing something out on white paper and constructing it into a box or tube. This will help you notice things you wouldn't otherwise. 4. What will this package look like in store? Shelf impact is very important for products that are sold in stores. You will want to consider how much of the packaging will be visible when products are lined up next to each other. You can usually only see one face. Make sure your most important info is front and center. What will it look like when these products are stacked next to and on top of each other? Is there a pattern that's created? Do you want there to be? What will this look like compared to the competition? Go to one or more stores where your product will be sold and figure out where your product would be placed. Are most products one color? How will you make yours stand out and get noticed?